the Tech 660. What's up, everybody? It's Steve here, aka the Tech 660, and just showing you a quick tool haul showing of my purchases that I bought from Harbor Freight not too long ago. By the way, happy Easter, guys. Went ahead and got my 25% off coupon and went ahead and didn't spend a shitload of money today. Probably maybe just a little bit, but anyways, not bad for all this, for about a little bit over $100. And got me mirror. Since I have the little brother, I got the big brother, Pitman arm remover, and I've seen this on a YouTuber's channel. I've actually have a set of this at my job, but I kind of wanted to get this just in case I lose the other ones, kind of like a backup. I love these guys. My rotary drill master tool, along with a case that I bought and with its attachments. I wanted to try these guys right here, and my rubber mallets, wire brushes, cut off wheels, wire wheels. Want to try this guy right here, some pliers, and you can never have too many extensions. So anyways, quick showing of my tool haul for today on Easter from Harbor Freight. Well, anyways, guys, hope you please like and subscribe. Thanks again.